Hello everybody, we are going to look at how to do a stem and leaf diagram. My name's Alex Newberry, I'm the founder of Numberella, and I'm going to explain this for you as best I can. So here we go, we've got the heights in 15 centimetres of 15 plants. And we're going to represent this data in the most efficient way possible, and that means that we're going to write the fewest possible digits. Okay, so stem and leaf is designed to be an efficient way of representing data. So scanning the data, we're looking for anything beginning in the 20s, 30s, 40s and 50s, and we can see we've got a 29 there, and we're going to write that as 2 on the left-hand side of this line and 9 on the other. That actually gives us our key, so we can say that 2/9 equals 29. We've done that one, so I'm going to cross it out, and then we're going to move up to the 30s. So let's circle anything in a 30. That's 35, 38. And I'm just going to run up and down each column here to be methodical. And then a 32, and then a 38 there. So those are our 30 data. And that, just to emphasize, being methodical, searching for things, I'm just going up and down as I am looking. Okay. There we go. Now, so the 30s, let's find the smallest one. So we've got a 32. That's going to be there, 32. I'm going to cross it out once I've done it. We've got a 33. So I'm going to write the 3 there. And of course, that means that the 3 is for the 30. Here, this is really representing the tens column. And these are all representing the units column. So that's 33. And what else? I've got a 35. So I'm going to write a 5 in there. And I've got 2 38. So I can write an 8. And 8. There we are. We've done the 30s. Now looking for the 40s, I'm going to write a square. And once again, I'm going to be methodical. I'm going to look down the first column, then up the second column, and then down the third column. Up the fourth column, and down the fifth column. There we go. Squares around all of those. Now, I write my 4 here for the 40. That's 4 lots of 10, 40. And then the units. So starting at the smallest one, that's obviously going to be 40. And then we've got a 41. And then we've got another 41. And then we've got a 42. And then we've got a 45. And then we've got a 47. And then we've got a 48. Okay. Have I crossed anything out? Have I crossed everything out? Yes. What have I got left? I've got a 52 and a 55. Well, I could draw something around here, but actually, given there's just the 2 of them, I'm going to write the 5 and the 2. Cross it out, and then the 5 and the 5. Cross it out. Now, I should have the same amount of numbers here as I have boxes and crossings out and numbers up here. So I can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3. So that should be 15. How many numbers have I written down here? Let's just change colour. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've done the right amount of data, 15 here and 15 down here. Okay, that's making sure I haven't missed anything out. I've done my key, and there we are. That should be enough for the 3 marks.